Mexican Philly steak discada, papatexas style. That's right, I'm fixing to show you the items because this thing really doesn't have a name. It's just something today I created in my head because I saw something I'm fixing to show you. And we're doing it on the Texas Walk. Alright? Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. And this is Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. We're going to go over there to that walk. But here real quick, I'm going to pan you across the majority of the items that I just thought up in my head to cook with today, and let's just see how it turns out. There is nothing better than experimenting, you know, and if you know a name that this stuff can be called, we'll do that. Well, I'll think about that. We need to name this dish. Take a gander at what I'm putting in here. Be right back, and don't forget, hit that dinner bell. It's dinner time. Okay, so Papa was up at the India grocery store. That's right. And I saw these Pete, and I said, okay, I don't know what I'm doing for dinner tonight, so I bought these. And then we went over to Kroger, and I saw the beef shaved steak, and I said, wait a minute, beef shaved steak, pita bread. It's time to use the wok. That's right. That's right. And to go with this, we got this stuff. I actually got some refried beans. For the top, we got some salsa verde sauce. I bought some red enchilada sauce. We're going to see how that does on beef, shaved beef. I read some bell peppers. Beautiful. We got an avocado. I'm going to show you how you put this on a flat griddle. It's not flat, it's a disc. I'm going to show you how I cut that up and how I do that. You want to see salt and pepper. And then we got 2 onions. So that's the items. Alright. You're gonna go back to Papa. He's got this stuff right now over on the other table. He's cutting it up. Let's go see what he's doing. Yeah. Thanks, Papa. Alright, so right now what we're gonna do is I will be cutting. I'm gonna be cutting these up. And we will get back with you. I'm gonna pull this out. Okay? That comes out. I will finish these up and I'll come back and show you the cook. Alright, so here's what we're going to start off with. We're going to start off with the orange, the red, and the onions. Just did one of each. I got the others over here. We'll do the avocado in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and put some extra virgin olive oil and put this on, grill it, and then we'll slide it up to the side. You'll see that, and then we're going to throw that meat in there, and I'll show you that avocado, and we'll see what else we're going to put on the meat. Right. Let's get some olive oil in there. Yeah, we'll go with that. Got 1 orange, 1 red, and half an onion. Alright, so put some of this down, and we'll be back when it's kind of melted down. Okay, at this stage of the game, look at that. This smells so good. The top of the wok is still hot. So what we're going to do is we're going to move some of this stuff up there, all of it. Alright, here she goes. Turn the heat down a little bit and brown it up. We're back. Okay, now we're at the point we're going to slow the heat down a little bit. We got our veggies right there. We're just going to blend in some enchilada sauce. That's where you get the enchilada flavor. And I want that sauce to heat up a little bit. That's why we turn down the heat and just let it just kind of warm that sauce up. And I guess the only thing left I got is the avocado. We're going to put some guacamole on there. Alright, I think the smaller can like this would have worked. That looks like a nice blend right there. I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit. We got the gas turned down. We'll let that sauce heat up. Alright, I gotta get that turned down again. Okay, I cut it in half, took the ball out, and put a little salt and pepper on it. It's kosher salt and black pepper. We'll go like that, let them cook. I think this is going to be good. Alright, at this point I'm just going to bring some up. This is what's good about this. There's no plating up. You plate up straight from here. That's right. Getting everybody out in the backyard. Still heating up. Now I can turn my gas up a little bit because there's nothing down there. And we'll be back when we plate it up. You know what, actually, I'm going to move these down. Oh! Get them in some of that juice. Oh, I forgot. I was going to have some refried beans with it. You just put them on there like that. Slide them down. That's good, Papa. It's a good meal. You know, I'm trying to speed this up. We're waiting on the refried beans. We're just going to move them down there and let them cook a little bit. Move over there. I'm like a street coming. Alright, you go down there. Alright, refried beans, let's get warm. Everything else is in good shape, I think. Alright, let's see if this works. We're going on my Texas plate. We got some pita bread. Okay, so we're going to go this way with it. I'm not sure if that worked. We take a gander at it. Woo! Well, that ain't bad. What we're going to do is we're going to pull some of that out. Something's burning. That's that boy. He's burning. Alright. So I'm going to take that out. Smush it up a little bit. We're going to stick it on this plate. As so. That's good enough for right now. Alright, now we're going to take some beans. We're going to spread that across the goodness. Just like that. Alright. Now I'm going to take some of this shredded beef. Go right there like that. What if I should put... No cheese. Alright, we're going to take a few of these. Go across there because they're tasty. Fixing to do a taste test, y'all. Find out if Papa did good or not. I'll let you know. I will let you know. Alright, we're still plating. Let's just turn the heat off. Oh, need one more red one. And we got no onions over on that end. We gotta put some onions on there. Alright. That's what we got. Right there. Alright, I'll see you back over at my main stage and we'll take a taste test. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? We're fixing to find out what it tastes like. I tell you what though, the salsa verde sauce I got to go on it, it's got 2 out of 3 peppers. It's a little hot. So we're going to try it without it because I think this is going to be a really cool taste. Freaking, this is it. This is it. I'm going to roll this sucker up. I'm going to go back and taste it. Woo! It's hot. Let me cool it down a little bit and I'll be right back. Alright, all rolled up and ready to go. Let's get that first bite out of the way. Here we go. A lot of bread, so I got a little bit out of all. Oh. Actually pretty tasty. Tastes like what you thought it'd taste like. I love bell peppers. Got so much flavor in the onions. I can taste that enchilada sauce. It's truly not a bad little meal. Let me go see if Gigi will take a taste test. She's eating something else. Well, she was okay with everything until she tasted the beans. Yeah, she doesn't do beans. I don't know. Alright, so shredded beef. I don't know what you call this. It's kind of a Mexican meal mixed with a Philly steak. But it's also made it. Yeah, you like it. You know, you need to get out there and experiment. Experiment test with stuff. That's what Papa does. I've never done this one before. Alright, we're going to a fajita party tomorrow. So anything I had left over is going to that party. Yeah, you'll have a blast. Have a super great week coming up. Stay 6 feet apart. Don't cough on someone. Stay safe. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Subscribe for more cooking videos. Hit that bell so you know when it's dinner time with the dinner bell. See y'all. Stay safe. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.